Welcome back to the Sea Champagne Radio Show. Oh, wow. I'm kind of interested in this song that's coming out. Whiskey Myers, a band that I'm not too familiar with, and I'm always excited to explore new bands. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Welcome back, I Love Music Army. How's the I Love Music Army doing? If you're not part of the I Love Music Army, well, let me tell you, if you love music, well, you need to be in that. How do you do that? Well, you hit that like button down there. You hit the bell icon, ding, which puts you in, and the subscribe button. Got to do all that to be in the I Love Music Army. Now we're going to react to the song, but we're going to rate the song at the end of the video. We'll explain our rating system here in a few moments. But right now, it's Whiskey Myers, The Wolf. Let's just dive right into this thing. I'm hitting the play button, and here we go to Reaction Land.
Things gon' be alright. They try to hold me down, but can't nothing last forever. I feel it in my bones. There's a change in the weather. Put me back in the saddle, out on the road. This way I make a living is the only way I know. You're messing with some forces that your mind can't comprehend. I done been to the bottom, I ain't going back again. So who in the hell you think you're playing with now? You done fucked around and let the wolf out. I'll be prowling while you sleep. You were playing for fun, I'm playing to eat. I done rattled through a tempest, I done ride through the stormy skies. And I bear a hard-earned battle wound. They're from crawling and scratching the whole damn way. Everything that you see is uncut and self-made. Cause I was born a rebel doing battle with the devil. How the hell you gonna stop me when you ain't on my level? You ain't seen the things I've seen or done the things I've done. All just to survive another trip around the sun. So who in the hell you think you're playing with now? You done fucked around and let the wolf out. And I'll be prowling while you sleep. You were playing for fun, I'm playing to eat.
Okay, the latest from Whiskey Myers there, The Wolf. Now, I know this band's been around for a while. They're supposedly Southern rock. The song is trending on rock charts. But if you're in the I Love Music Army, let me tell you how we rate the songs, okay? First, 5 stars. It's a perfect song. It's one of the greatest songs ever performed and written in the world, okay? 4 stars is really good. It's B. It's a great song. 3 stars is just average. Nothing. It's not terrible, but it's just an average song. 2 stars is not very good. That's a D. 1 star is it sucks. And 0 stars is why did you even bother to record it? And if you're a fan of Whiskey Myers, have I got an earful for you right now? Okay? I got an earful for you. Okay? Band's been around since 2007. And they had a big hit record. And what I mean by that is, does everybody listening to this band across the world? No, they're not. As a DJ, been out and about in various clubs. I do a lot of programming for a lot of people, and no one ever once has ever asked me for a Whiskey Myers song. And do you know why? Because if this is the best they have to offer, this song that's trending now, The Wolf, I can see why. This song will be here today, and in 2 weeks, no one will know that it's ever been played. Because it's not very good. I mean, where's the great musicianship? Didn't hear it. Drums were poorly recorded. What kind of fantastic vocal did you hear? I think if the band is listening to this, if Whiskey Myers was hearing my voice right now, I would say to you, you can do better. You can do better. I've heard plenty of cover bands that do originals in bars that have songs better than this. So I think you're a lucky band to be where you are in the position that you're in, because there's a lot of guys out there, especially from Texas, Austin, Texas, even more so, that are really, really, really happening as we got stuff swirling around in the studio. Absolutely we do. That's the best I can offer. Do you have the courage of your convictions? Do you agree or disagree with me? You got some keyboard courage down there? Then tell me why I'm wrong. Tell me why I'm right. That's what the I Love Music Army is all about. And we want you to be a part of that. Our internet musical global family of friends that love and discuss all kinds of music. Is this the greatest song you ever heard? I mean, come on. Really? Is it? Tell me what you think. That's what I want to know from the Steve Champagne Radio Show. Join us as we explore, investigate, listen to, and post all things music and entertainment. Be a part of that. Until next time, God bless each and every one of you, even Whiskey Myers, even though I barbecued him a little bit. And yes, I'm giving him a 2-star rating. It is not very good.